You're watching Ready Steady Cook with SK. If you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe to our channel. Along with that, press the bell icon to get regular updates from our channel. Today, we are going to see the recipe of Domino style Mexican veg tacos with the potato stuffing. It'll be very tasty, crispy outside and juicy inside. It'll be very easy to make. Come, let's see how to make the recipe. The ingredients are maida 1 cup, baking powder 1/4 spoon, salt, oil 4 to 5 spoons, boiled potato 2, onion 1, chili powder 1/2 spoon, mayonnaise 1 spoon, cheese and chili sauce. The cooking time will be 25 minutes and it can be served for 2. First, we are going to take 1 cup of maida. To that, we are going to add in some salt and 1/4 spoon of baking powder. Add 1 spoon of oil to it. Give it a good mix. Add water gradually and make this a soft dough. Let it marinate for some time. In the meantime, we'll prepare the masala for tacos. Add 2 spoons of oil and 1 cup of sliced onions. Let it fry for some time. In the meantime, we'll mash this boiled potatoes. Mash them very well. Let it be very soft. Now, we'll add in the masala items too. Onion. Add in the required salt for masala. Then 1/2 spoon of chili powder. Give it a good mix and add in the mashed potatoes. Mix it very well. Now the masala is ready. We are going to prepare the taco. I have spreaded the dough into rounded shape. Place it in a pan and cook the both sides very mildly. Small bubbles has to come. It must not cook as like rotis. Just cook for half a minute. Now we are going to make the stuffing for this. Just make a mark for half and then add in 1/2 spoon of mayonnaise and 1/2 spoon of chili sauce. Just spread them till the mark. Now we are going to place the potato mixture, what we have prepared. Just spread it. On top of it, we are going to add some shredded cheese. Carefully fold it now. And it is ready for frying. In the same way, we can make 2 more tacos. The stuffing and the cheese. It's looking great, isn't it? Now, in the pan, add in some 2 to 3 spoons of oil and drop the prepared tacos. Keep the flame in medium. The color must not change to dark brown. It has to be in the lighter side. If you keep the flame in high, then the crispiness will not be there and it will turn into dark brown. It has to be in golden brown color. Let it cook for some 2 to 3 minutes in each side. Let it cook slowly so that we'll get the crispier taste. It's getting ready. It'll be ready in some 2 minutes. Wow, the tacos are ready and we are going to plate it. The crispy and juicy tacos are ready. You have to definitely try this recipe. It'll be very tasty and everyone in your family will love it. So try this, share your comments. Please subscribe to our channel for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Bye bye.